One of the things about the project governance board that when I've seen that it was valuable, when I've seen that it really truly helped the project managers that were leading projects is they accepted input. And not that input where that more or less that there's no value to it. I'm talking about the input in which people really, the governance board, I should say, really took your ideals and really either expanded on them or just implement them. Because you got to understand, you are the one that's leading the project, not the governance board. We know a project, the root of a project is unique. So at times those governing rules are not going to be applicable. And so trying to force it on that particular project instead of trying to understand and learn how a project is led. So look at my project schedule because these type of things will allow your project governing board to say, oh, I see why you're saying that particular strategy won't work for this project.